So this is the EpressChef high-speed oven. It's the 3i series. This technology is the same as the 4i series, the larger unit. So this will cover both models. So when you turn on the unit, you'll be met with a blank screen. And from here, you've got your menu option. So this will allow you to input a manual recipe, edit a recipe, move them around, connect to the Wi-Fi via the network, load a file via the USB port here. You will receive a USB with the preloaded menu on there. So all you will have to do is input it for your customer, load the file, then choose the file that you want to load, and it will automatically go straight onto the machine. So let's pretend that we've put a USB in, we've loaded the file. You would then be met with the menu that's on the screen. From here, you would then have the option with your customer to go through all the food items that are on there and see, what ones they want to keep or which ones they would want to delete. So once you've had a discussion with them, you go through, you can then start to edit the recipe. So you click edit recipe, and from here you go through all your different options from your main courses, your snacks, your sides, etc. For this instance, we'll just talk you through the pizzas. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. We'll talk you through the full English. So from here, you've got options to edit your full English breakfast or full Irish breakfast in different stages as you go through. And here at the very top, you've got your time. So you go, it's currently set at 1 minute. You can change it to 1 minute 20. Press OK. Your middle is your microwave. So how much microwave power do you want to have on stage 1? Here it's 100%. And how much crisping or browning from the impingement on top? That's 30%. So that's 30% of hot air blowing from the top for 1 minute and 20. That's giving a nice crisp to all your product. The second stage and third stages, as you can see, the microwave and the impingement changes as you go through. So once you're happy with the timings that you've set with your customer, depending on how thick or what variant of sausages or bacon that they've got, would depend on their timings. But every menu needs to be developed with the customer. So once you're happy with that, you open the door, you place your product in, and you press the green tick. You wait for the cycle to be complete. Once the cycle is complete and you're happy with the product, okay, then you move along to saving it. So you just press the next arrow, and then you've got your HD image. You can actually upload your own HD images of the product using the ACP app, which is downloadable from acpsolutions.com. And then you'll be able to upload your own images to the laptop and then onto the high-speed oven directly. So here we've selected the breakfast menu. We'll move to the next text. We'll take away English and we'll put Irish on that. And again, nice simple touch quirky keyboards. It's like using your smartphone. Press the green tick, and now it's saved under full Irish there. So that's it. Your menu is now set up for your customer. You can tick it, and 2 minutes 50, and it's cooked. So then we want to do a manual recipe. So, for example, if it's a brand new product like, I don't know, a toasty or a sub that your customer has, we go into a manual recipe. And from here, again, it's your stage cooking. And again, for example, we've got a toasted sandwich here. So here we've got ham and cheese and 2 slices of bread and butter. And for example, we need to do this, at least 55 seconds, 100% microwave, and at least 50% browning. So when you put your product in for testing, you press the tick, and this is part of the menu development. So again, we're going to do this live so you can see it cook. Well, fingers crossed, cook in 55 seconds. And when we take it out, it should be nicely heated up on the inside with the ham, and the cheese should be melted as well. Now, the beauty with this, being able to add your own HD image to it, is for staff that are new or replacement staff, you take a picture of the product as it should be finished with garnish. So you take it out, you put on the plate, you put your crisps or your salad with it, or whatever sauce or dressing needs to go with it as well, onto the picture. So when the product is cooking, your staff can see the garnish on the plate. So prior to them having to take the food out, they're already getting the plate ready, they're getting the garnish ready, they're getting everything ready to go to serve the customer consistently the same every single time. So it's a handy selling tool to use with your customers each and every time. So last 5 seconds for this. There's an end of beep cycle to let you know that it's done. and again your picture would come up. For this we haven't it done. And here we've got the toasty after 55 seconds. I'll close the door again or I get in trouble. And on the base where the hot plate was, in the middle steaming hot, and underneath melted cheese. So all of this in 55 seconds using the EpressChef high-speed oven.